Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do like a spa like wash day. I feel like I haven't done this in a while, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on how I incorporate K18 into my wash day. So that is something that you want to see. Sit back, relax, and let's go ahead and get into it. Honestly, this video is going to be short and sweet and straight to the point. I'm not going to set up in the shower, so I'm just going to let y'all know that I'm going to be double cleansing my hair using the Detox shampoo from 𝐴 along with the pH balancing peptide prep from K18. I'm going to straighten my hair during this wash day, so I want to make sure my hair is good and clean, everything is off of it and properly prepped for this heat I'm gonna add to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and we'll come back, apply the K18, and let y'all know how I condition and all that good stuff. So yeah, hold please. All right y'all, so let me say I really liked that 𝐴 Detox shampoo and I really enjoyed using it. Lord, can I get this off? Using it in combination with the peptide prep from K18. Like, my hair is just really soft and really light, which I think is perfect on a day where I am straightening my hair. And it is something about when I use that peptide prep, or is that what it's called? The shampoo, not the detox one, from K18, but it just makes my hair shine. Like, straight out of cleansing and shampooing, like nothing else on it, my hair has a shine, and my hair is very lackluster naturally. So moving on, we are about to apply our K18 products. This is really like a whole K18 day, isn't it? So I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections. All right, so you know, a little goes a long way, so I'm going to take a pump and a half, that much per section, which is probably way too much, because once I warm it up in my hands and it spreads, like, it really does apply really well to my hair. Like, you don't want to see excess. Like, you really want your hair to soak in all of it, because she's expensive. All right, so that's good and applied. Y'all, Fred need a trim, but Fred is growing, okay? I cannot wait to see my hair like fully straight. I haven't had straight hair in months. And I apply the K18 like I do on my conditioners, which if you don't know, I like to really squeeze it into my strands. You know, if there's anything missing, if bonds are broken, you know, K18 is supposed to be the healer. So I really want to make sure it is getting in there. Now, if you have never heard of K18 and this is absolutely new to you, I do have a video where I tried it for a month without using any conditioners, and I go into a little bit more depth as to what it is. That video is in the description box right here, and here is the thumbnail for it, just in case you want to come back to it later. And also, if you are wondering, like, Faren, what about the oil? We're gonna get there, okay? What you have to do is apply the K18 like you normally would. Let it sit for the 4 minutes, and then you apply the oil and let that sit as well for 4 minutes, depending on like what you're doing. This section seems a little thick, so I'm just gonna add a little more. And so now we wait. Alright, so it's probably been 4 minutes since I applied the K18 mask to this section. So now I am just going to take 2 drops, try and take 2 drops, maybe 3, of this K18 oil. 1, 2, we'll do 3. Spread that out just like we did the mask, and apply it to my hair. I really want to focus on the ends because it is supposed to be really good for hair repair. And your ends is the and your ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you know. And it's been 6 months since I had a trim. If you know me, I never go that long without trimming my hair. So once that is good and applied, I am just going to now twist this up. My hair feels so incredibly soft, y'all. And while I do this, I'll give you guys a few more facts about this K18 oil. I know it's been on the market for a while, but I haven't really seen a lot of people talk about it. So just a little info for you. According to K18's website, the hair oil is a weightless oil that strengthens, repairs damage, and reduces frizz. This biotech engineered weightless oil works on all hair types to strengthen, repair damage, reduce frizz at 2 levels of the hair fiber, and improve shine. So basically, the K18 peptide works to repair damage at a deeper level that causes frizz. So it's going to repair and strengthen the damage from the innermost layer of hair to reverse the damage that leads to frizz. This does contain natural oils like avocado oil and sunflower oil. There's also hemisqualane and squalane, which are used to nourish while smoothing frizz, flyaways to improve color vibrancy, enhance shine, and provide 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat protection. The directions say to apply to damp, towel-dried hair before styling or on dry hair as a finisher. This is a highly concentrated formula, so start with 1 to 3 drops and then build up as needed. So of course, just like I did, if you have the mask, use the mask first on clean damp hair, wait 4 minutes, then apply the molecular repair hair oil and wait 4 minutes for maximum strengthening results. Now, I have reached out to this brand via Instagram multiple times, and they say that it is okay for you to then dampen your hair or go back underneath the water. I usually just dampen my hair and apply a deep conditioner. So for all us kinky coily girls, you know, it's very rare that I can go without conditioning or deep conditioning my hair. They do say that the product has fully absorbed and is going to do what it needs to do if you do decide to deep condition after using these products. Okay, so now that this is fully applied, y'all, I am not naked. I have a robe on. Forever Mood, matter of fact. Absolutely love this. But I'm going to let this marinate for probably another few minutes just because it is a hair oil and I want to make sure it is really penetrating my strands. Then we will get into the deep conditioning and last part of this wash day. Okay, we're back. I just filled up my 360 spray bottle with warm water because typically I like to apply my deep conditioners in the shower so my hair is soaking wet and I have a lot of moisture, slippage, all that good stuff, and I just like using warm water. So while it is still warm, we have let this marinate just enough. I am going to go in with my Adva Beauty Bowel Mint conditioning treatment. I was gonna go with something a little lighter, but I need to make sure Fred is fully prepared for this heat. And so that means making sure that my hair is properly and adequately moisturized. We ain't got time for him to be dry and breaking off. No ma'am, no ham. So we are just going to saturate him like so. That's probably too much, but we're gonna go in with this much for this section and apply liberally. If you guys stick around, I definitely think for the next month I am going to take really good care of my hair, just because I have time. Summer, you know, we're in August, summer is almost over, and I will get my hair trimmed. Actually, we're gonna let this hang because I'm gonna sit underneath my steamer and I'm gonna get my hair trimmed next month. So if I can just really boost the immunity, is what we'll call it, of my hair prior to that, then I think we'll see. But this K18 is definitely an investment that's worth it. So I said all that to say that even though I have not used the products as regularly as I would like, I am very I can still recommend them. I still would highly recommend them. So I wanted to show you guys that I have sat underneath my steamer and I ended up pinning my hair up so my ends could really get the full effect of the steaming treatment. What I'm going to do now is hop back in the shower and detangle my hair. I'm one of those girls that like I have to let my deep conditioner sit and do its magic before I tackle the tangles of my hair, and I feel like it stops me from like ripping my hair out. So I'm gonna go and do that and rinse this conditioner out, and when I come back I'm probably gonna be like a completely different person because my hair gonna be straight. It's 6 days later. Let me go ahead and wrap this video up. Let's talk about each product that I used during this wash day. The Ouai Detox Shampoo, I don't really know how I feel about it. This was the first time that I used it, but I will say my scalp is a little dry, but my hair really felt good after shampooing it. Of course, the K18 peptide prep, one of my favorites, pH balancing, and I just feel like I can always see a sheen to my hair freshly shampooed anytime I use K18 products. I don't know what is in them. I don't know what this biomimetic peptide whatever is, but it really does bring a certain luster to my natural hair that I genuinely or typically don't have. Deep conditioning, we know. Adwoa Beauty does not disappoint on my hair. The Bauerment deep conditioning treatment was perfect. It just, something about using this and sitting underneath my steamer, my hair absolutely loves it. I'm so lazy that I don't really use my steamer often, but I really should be using it more often than I do. So my hair felt absolutely amazing. Sorry, I tried to do this in order, but I'm just picking the products up at random. K18 mask. I have actually been using this more often than I even realized. I've used it probably 3 times in the last month. I used it before, no, 2 months. I used it before going into a protective style. I used it afterwards, and I used it before straightening my hair. And once again, I'm really starting to learn this product. I can use a pump, maybe not even a whole pump, for each section of my head, and I usually have it in 4 sections, and I just really feel like it is helping me maintain the health of my hair. I haven't used a true bonding treatment other than K18 in probably the last 3 months, and at first I was very hesitant about this molecular repair oil, especially because it's really expensive in my opinion. But I've used it a few times. I really like using it in conjunction with this mask. And on my straight hair, I really like applying it to my ends. So like I said, this is day 6 that my hair has been straight. If you haven't seen that video, this is what it looks like. Be sure to check it out after you finish this one. But I think this has been great for maintaining my ends, especially because I haven't had a trim in 6 months, and it's definitely overdue time for that. I know y'all looking at them now, but my hair just has like this shine to it, and I haven't put anything on it. That's a lie. I've been using a finishing spray to like add a little bounce to my hair on some flexi rock. Like I said before, this K18 just adds a little shine, so much luster to my hair. So if you haven't tried K18 out, if you are like, the price is just too much for me, definitely wait until the Sephora sale. Buy the travel sizes. That's what I did. And I mean, if you can get samples or anything, definitely try it out. But I think for me and my hair, it's a great investment, and I'm obviously retaining length at this point. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this spa-like wash day with a K18 update. It's been so long since I've done the original video that I just really felt like this was needed. If you have any questions, or if you want to see me use these products again, or if you have any video ideas, leave them in the comments down below. I'm always, you know, looking to see what you guys want to see so I can deliver that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.